every rafter tail lines up to the center of a board, and then every gutter strap lands in the center of a rafter bay or lines up with a rafter throughout the entire building. Every penetration on the exterior of the building, if it's a light, a hose bib, or a gas line, lands center of a board. You will not find a penetration that does not land in the center of a board on the exterior of the building. Really cool powder bathroom. It's all black onyx.
Oh, yeah.
The countertops backlit. The pad was a knoll, and so we built 300 feet of 12 to 14 foot architectural concrete all the way around and leveled out the.
Is this slab on grade?
It is. Post tension. And it lines up with these trees, and the trees line up with the center of that door. And we spun the trees to make sure they lined up. So it's a SIP panel exterior facade, and then what we had to do is we built the timber frame, and then we came back and built the SIP panel around it.
Okay.
So it was, and then we actually started in that building this way, and then we took all the mechanicals and went this way, and then the finishes came. So I had finished carpenters over here and plumbers over there. It's an Argentinian grill, which is pretty cool. This was our family home from the 1970s, and they tore it.
Renovation or?
It was a renovation. So basically we tore everything down, kept that floor level in this section, and then we went down and we had to dig in the rock and make all the attachments to the foundation.
This came out great. What is the floors?
Walnut.
Walnut.
Yeah. It's a finish in place with a clear satin on it.
Clear set. Yeah.